Hi friend, welcome back to day 16. This is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder creator of She Makes Club. Man, we're back with day 16. I know I took a quick minute break in our 100 days. At day 15, I posted just a music only video when we talked about trust is key and did some rub-ons and some pretty glitter things. And now we're on day 16 and we're talking about what you see. And I just decided to start getting a little crazy. I grabbed this silver metallic paint pen from Spectrum Noir, Crafter's Companion, and just went crazy drawing eyes and lines and adding silver embellishments to this entire page. But what I really wanted to focus on were pictures of different seasons around my home. I know for me, one of my favorite things in a lot of ways where I feel gratitude and a blessing from God, I feel it a lot when I pull down my driveway. We have a relatively long driveway, and we are beautifully blessed to live at this farmhouse with amazing woods behind us, and my husband planting the fields for deer in the seasons, and beautiful rainbows that come through every now and then. So these are all pictures from coming down my driveway or around my house, including these rainbows. So I really tried to grab a little bit of every season, because when I think about looking around at what I see and God's love being before my eyes, there are so many things that I could list and name, but this is one thing that I wanted to make sure I highlighted in this 100 Days of Grace and Gratitude are these things that are around our house or coming down the driveway. I literally remember one fall when I first moved in here, all the beautiful fall colors, and being all the way back at the top of our driveway and looking down and seeing our house and the beautiful fall colors around it, and taking a picture and just saying, like, I'm so grateful for where God has me, and sending that to my family and a couple friends, like, this is amazing. And the same thing, like when winter comes around and I see the snowflakes falling, there are so many times where I'll lay in bed with the window and look out and just see the snowflakes in the seasons that I've been living here, and just feel such amazing gratitude. And I wanted to highlight that. So I'm going to write a little note here. I'm doing a little hidden journaling flap. This is watercolor paper, and I wanted to do like a seasonal change across here, but I wanted to make sure that I really captured it well and had the colors blend. So I'm like, I need watercolor paper. I can't just do watercolor directly on this book. So I'm making a little flap, and that way I can do that handwriting journaling. And basically it says the exact same thing that I said to you. There is so much to be thankful for always, but I'll always be thankful for pulling down our long driveway, and every season there is so much beauty. The beauty of fall colors, the bright flowers of spring and summer, the lights of Christmas, the glistening snow, beautiful sunsets. And I just wanted that to be captured in What Do I See? I love these verses that are highlighted on this page from Psalm 26, verse 3. It says, "For your faithful love is before my eyes, and I live by your truth." And another verse that says in Psalm 5, verse 12, "For you, Lord, bless the righteous one. You surround him with favor like a shield." And I just think that's such a beautiful picture, like that with God on our side, when we are righteous before him, when we're living for him, we are surrounded with our faith and his favor like a shield. And I just think that is so cool. So what I'm doing here is I grab my watercolor palette. This is the Artistra one. And I am using washi tape, separating out 4 like blocks on this little tiny strip. And I'm kind of playing with the idea of a branch or tree kind of going through like the pinks and purples of the beautiful night sunsets. I don't love these pinks, but I'm kind of like playing with it, adding some things in. The greens for spring, the blues, the cool colors of winter, and then the oranges and reds more for the fall, changing, falling leaves, things like that. So I kind of did it in a little bit of a weird order to go winter, spring, summer, fall, but I thought this is like how these colors kind of play together really well. So I'm just layering these colors. Like I said, it's, the blues, dark blue, light green, dark green, and just kind of having fun watching the colors play together. I'm even adding in some of the metallic bronze colors through here. And now what I'm doing is getting a clean brush and I'm washing it off, and I'm going to use this chocolate brown color to kind of go through, after it's all dry, all 4 of these colors and kind of branch off leaves, or not leaves, branches. I'm branching off branches. like drawing off branches, I guess is a better way to put it. And keeping it really simple. I'm not an amazing artist by any stretch of the imagination, but I was like, I can do this and make this happen. Now I'm grabbing some white with a really fine brush and I'm adding in like a snow effect shadow, and where it's kind of the flat spots, I'm doing white right on top of the branches and then doing a little bit of a spritz and a couple dots to really make that impact that it's snowing or a winter type thing. And then going to go through and I'm going to add different colors of leaves and flowers, branches kind of thing. This is a really dark green to give a real full feel around the branch that we're doing. And then I'm going to do like golds and bronzes on the fall colors, and, you know, really represent that they're like kind of falling, but also like very, you know, it's not as full as in the spring and summertime. But for summer, I want to add in like some purples and pinks, almost like blossomed flowers on the tree, and then really highlight it with that. And then I'm just going to separate it out. It's already separated by using the washi tape. Of course, I had a little bit of bleed, so I'm going to grab that silver metallic paint and I'm just going to go in and fill in kind of that separation that is already naturally there with the washi, and really kind of finish it off in a metallic and yet fun way. And I really think this just turned out beautifully. It really represents, you know, that feeling and the things that I see around me that I'm so grateful for. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little layout and little fun video today for day 16. I can't wait to be back with you again tomorrow. We're going to talk about rejoicing in the Lord, and I just can't wait to do that with you. Love to invite you into She Makes Club. It's still going strong. 100 pennies for your first 100 days of membership, and that expires March 7th, 2024. But don't wait, because you don't want to miss any of our live creative workshops that we have coming between now and then. Would love to see you in there. I'll see you soon. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.